Assalamu alaikum. I am Sumbul Zehra, lecturer in physics at Sir Syed Government Girls College. With the support and encouragement of my very honorable principal, Professor Khalda Parveen, today I am here again to deliver my 19th lecture of BCS Physics first semester course, which is on the topic of potential energy. Now, coming to our topic, which is potential energy. Today, we will study about potential energy. Potential energy is basically capacity to do the work, which is due to position of any object. If a ball is at some place, it has certain capacity to do the work. But if we changes its position, it has different capacity to do the work. The change in position brings the different capacity. Question is why? Answer: it is because the change of position to some external agency to transfer its energy to this body, then only position is changed. If this is here, the answer is because to change the position, some external agency, has to transfer its energy to this body. Then only position is changed. If the ball is here, it is brought to some another place, then we have to apply force to do the displacement. Then how can I do that? Answer is, I am also having energy, I am using my energy, I am applying force doing the displacement, and because of that its position is changed. But meanwhile, what has happened? I have spent my energy and done the work on this body. That energy is transferred to that body. How do I know? Because the position is changed. So whenever I see the position of something is changed due to the work done on it, then it has certain energy, the capacity to do the work. If I have taken the ball in my hand, it is not able to do work. But if it falls, it is able to do more work. It will apply more force, it will do. It will effect more displacement, so the change in position makes its object able to do certain work. Now here is an object. If I put it here, it will not move. Now I spend my energy and do some work on it. The position is changed. The shape is changed. The configuration is changed. Now if I put it here and leave it, then it will do certain work. It will apply force on it and it will throw it off. That means it has gained capacity to do the work. It has gained energy because work has been done on it to change its shape. Work done on it for changing its position, this is, it has got energy. Because of changing position, this energy is known as potential energy. It is not motion, only position is changed. So it is potential energy. Change in configuration. What does it means? We have 5 molecules at one place and 5 molecules at another place. We attach all these molecules. This is called configuration. I applied force on it and change it. How this change of configuration has taken place? I have applied force, done the displacement. That means I have done the work. How I have done the work? I have spent my energy, I have done the work. As a result, the configuration is changed. So, with this new position, if I ask it to do back, this is what we see. This is we see in the springs. You have seen the toys with a spring. You have seen the clocks with a spring. When we tighten the spring, the configuration is changed. And when we leave it, then the energy stored in the spring, it rewinds back and the toy starts moving. That is the change, it has the capacity to do the work. That energy in the toy moves, still it is stored there, and it is known as potential energy. So potential energy is energy due to its present position. How it has come to its present position? Because due to work done on it for changing its position. Now this potential energy is different for different application of forces. Now, like if we compress the spring, then energy, I am doing work on the spring and I compress the spring, lock it. Then all my energy is work done on the spring and it has been stored in the spring as potential energy of the spring. I lift the ball against the gravitational force up to a certain height and put it at that place. The position is changed. It has got potential energy because I had worked on it, and that my energy is stored as potential energy. This is potential energy due to what we are going to say after due to I have done work against what against gravitational force. So this energy is known as gravitational potential energy. In the earlier work we done against which energy? Against energy of the spring. So that was known as spring potential energy. This is gravitational potential energy. Here are two positive charges. They are repelling each other. But somehow we press it and bring it nearer to it. That means a force has been applied on it, and with this force it is displaced and we lock it. We have done certain work on it, either by me or by some external agency. But work is done against which force? Against electrical force. What is the name of electrical force? So what will be the name of this energy which is stored in it? It is electrical potential energy. So you have seen when the work is being done against electrical force, it is electrical potential energy. When work is done against gravitational force and the position is changed, it has gained gravitational potential energy. But work is done against the spring, it is spring potential energy. So the force against which work is done and the energy is stored in it, that means it has gained the capacity to do the work. And we know that whenever we remove the trigger, then it will spring back and do the work. Whenever this ball falls down, it has the capacity to rotate a turbine. It has the capacity to apply the force to do the displacement. It has the capacity to do the work. Similarly, we have said that this is the energy due to position. So it is very understandable. So remember, this is potential energy due to the force of gravitational, and we have done what is potential energy. Let us see in case of position change in gravitational field. Here there is a force mg acting downward. We apply some external body here which has got lot of energy like my hand, and we bring it up. We apply force upward and it is at a height h. So how much work is done on the body? So we define work done equals to F cross S, which is work done equals to Fs cos of theta. Here force is mg and distance is h and cos of 0 degree. So cos of 0 1, so work done is mgh. So how much work is done? It is mgh. So mgh is the potential energy. In fact, it is called the change in potential energy from height 0 to height h. So whenever there is a change, there is a gain in potential energy. What is this change? This is gain. Why I called it gain? Gain or loss, when work is done on the body, it is gain, and when work is done by the body, then there is a loss of potential energy. So potential energy decreases when the body is doing the work. It is using its energy doing the work. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.